Mastering the Studio application. User Interface Overview. Studio is accessed via the Serendipity client window, Application menu, Studio option. The interface is made up of 4 main sections: the Asset panel, the Layout area, the Media panel, and the Box Properties panel. A toolbar with icons runs along the bottom of the window, with easy access to functions that are also available from the top menus. The Asset panel displays all files that have been submitted as assets for use in Studio. You can adjust the view method via these buttons here, to display as list view, small thumbnail with file name, or as a thumbnail image. There are various options available via the right-click contextual menu for assets. Use the Media panel to set up the on-screen representation of your print media. This acts as your visual guide while building your layout. Page size allows you to select a pre-configured media size from the drop-down menu. Manage custom sizes allows you to create and save a specific media size for repeat use. Width and height fields allow you to enter dimensions for your media. Entering a width and leaving height blank will simulate roll paper, with the height auto-adjusting as you place assets into the layout area. You can enable or disable tiling here, with further settings available to configure the tiling area. Template displays the name of the loaded template when in use in Studio, or blank if no template is currently loaded. The Box Properties panel contains 3 tabs: Group, Frame, and Content, with Frame being the default tab selected. Frame controls the size, position, and style of the frame holding the asset. Content relates to the actual asset placed inside the frame. Properties for the size, position, scaling, orientation and rotation are all editable here. If an asset is dropped into the empty layout area, it is automatically assigned a frame. Group will only become available when multiple frames have been grouped, and contains properties for position within the layout area and size. The Box Properties panel can be fixed in place, or as a floating window, via the Studio settings. Its appearance is triggered by the eye icon in the toolbar, or the option in the View menu. Studio settings include whether to auto-place any dropped assets, spacing between frames, using a grid in the layout area, the type of crop marks to display around any assets, visual warnings in the layout area for frames overlapping or out of bounds, the position of the toolbar, and the Box Properties option. Rulers are visible around the layout area, in the units of measurement set for the Serendipity client. Guides can be enabled or disabled, and placed via mouse drag from the ruler. Precise placement is available by holding Ctrl or Command and double-clicking on the guide. That covers our initial look at the Studio application's interface. While there are many more options to explore, for a complete rundown on every single option and menu item, you can always refer to the product manual. Up next, how to import assets into Studio.